So this is from the word problems that we've been working on. So flying lessons, you're taking private flying lessons to get your private pilot's license. The cost of the introductory lesson is 5/8 the cost of the additional lesson, which is $80. You have a total of $375 to spend on flying lessons. How many lessons can you afford? How much money will be left? Well, first off, what's weird about this? Because there is something strange, isn't there? What is it, Abby? Yeah, that's the first thing I thought about is that messed me up. There's this $80. What is the $80 talking about? Yeah, the additional is just like the regular cost, isn't it? But I'm gonna take the introductory lesson. It's cheaper, right? So how much is that? Right, it's 5/8 the cost of the other one of the regular lesson, isn't it? So these cross cancel. This gives us what? 10 here and 1 here. So $50 for our intro lesson. Isn't that right? But isn't there, let y equal the total cost and x equal number of lessons. So what's an equation that describes this? Well, y equals to the total cost. What's the total cost equal? $80x, right? 80 for each regular lesson that you take, plus what? $50 for that, right? Why does this make sense? This makes sense, I think. What am I doing here? If I do it this way, I don't have to do any trick math. I can just put my number in. What does that do? Anybody see it? It takes away the $80 they charge for the introductory lesson, right? I'm sorry, it takes away the additional cost of the, right? Hold on a second. Right? What if I did this? What if I said, if I use this equation, I said the cost of one lesson, then it would be 80 times 1 is what? Plus 50 is 130, but that's not the cost, is it? So what this does is, for the first lesson, 1 minus 1 is 0. 80 times 0 is 0, and it helps us just get that. Do you see it? And you don't have to do that, but it's a really good counting mechanism, so we could try that, right? And then, believe it or not, what you can do is this. You can distribute into here, and it will clean everything up. It will be 80x minus 80 plus 50 equals the total cost. Look what happens now. We have 80x minus 30 equals y. The first lesson, 1 times 80 is minus 30 is 50. And it gets rid of that first, because we're only going to subtract that 30 one time, aren't we? Do you see it? And now we can go from here. We want to know how many lessons can we afford. Well, our total amount that we can spend, our total cost can only equal 375, can't it? So 375 equals 80x minus 30. Look what happens here. Whoops, x gives us 3 what? 45? Whoa. Gives us 405, doesn't it? Equals 80x. Divide both sides by 80. And we get, what is this? 5 remainder 5, isn't it?